Okay, so Kimmy just informed me that this is sea fog. How cute does Kimmy look in her pigtails? Usually you can see the sea, but it's just fog. Ooh. The reality of Korean summer.
Sucking on lemons, blood puts in breeze. You're killing me slowly. You do it with ease. Weeping with willows, snakes in.
Beautiful view. We Photoshop it out.
오세요 저희 집.
There's another cat. Oh my gosh, they're friends?
Strawberry Island, saffron hair. Scared of the things that aren't even there. Bug in a jam jar, oleander.
Okay, we're waiting at the, which bus stop? But it's very beautiful out here. It's kind of peaceful. Look at my nice sunburn.
I don't know if you can even really see
Yeah,
it.
she has a little spot where her necklace was. It's so cute. We've had a great weekend. Went strawberry picking on Friday, so you'll see some footage of that. And I brought Kimmy some strawberries.
Yes.
Make a little cobbler or something.
I'm gonna do something. Sorry, I'm texting my dad.
Oh no, you're good. I love it. No, text your dad. How sweet. Oh, hey mom. Yeah. Been in Korea now for what, 5 months?
4.5.
Almost 5 months.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I'm sweating. Summer in Korea is no joke. Is it even summer yet?
Technically, yes, I think.
God, it's no joke.
Yes, I know. I saw. I was like, oh well.
But I'm here for Namjoon. That's my bias. I've never said that before. That was like hard to come out of my mouth. I was like, is this right? Like as I was saying it, I was like, I think that's what the kids say.
Yeah. Hobie is my bias wrecker. That's why I'm like,
Oh.
come on, bus. Now I'm just like, I'm ready to like go. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's nice out here.
어디에 있어요? How far are we from North Korea here? The people want to know.
I'd say maybe an hour. Like probably right at half an hour actually, because Jeju Station is just a little bit south of the DMZ. So let's say half an hour.
Also, I didn't. There's bus. Oh, okay, gotta go. Bye.
Wish I could